Hey guys, this is Daniel here with Martin Kia to go over some helpful tips and tricks over your new Kia vehicle. Today we are in a 2019 Kia Forte LXS and we're going to go over how to adjust the touchscreen brightness. Alright, to adjust the touchscreen brightness it is very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to hit setup and then we're going to look for the option that says display. Under there, you have a few options of how you would like to adjust the screen brightness. There's 3 preset settings, which is going to be automatic, which is going to change the brightness to what the instrument cluster is set to. You have daylight and night. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit brighter in the daytime to adjust for the sunlight and a little bit darker at night because it doesn't need as much brightness. You also have the option to go down here and adjust it yourself if it's not linked with the cluster. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe and look for future videos. Thank you.